Well, I gotta hand it to Mane. Sino man yung director nila. Jano Gibbs. Jano Gibbs is the producer, I believe. No, si Vic Del Rosario. Jano Gibbs is just the host. Pero, yeah, creative mind. Because I watched the Viva Max Plus edition ng Mane. And what can I say na pwede kong i-allot sa palabas na to? 2 weeks ago, they got their best episode. The jokes kind of hit it. Okay. Before anything else, before I continue, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Harriet. It's Saturday, and you know what that means. It's now time for our bold review only on Saturday night's main event dito sa Harriet. If you haven't liked it, you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe now. Like this video, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review. We focus on BMX content here, but I dwelled on gachas recently. Maarte sila for some reasons, and then yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna set some random photos here. Jane and then Caesar. Here. And yeah, apply. Okay. So yeah, Mane, third 6 week. We're running this till June. It's their third episode. And the first segment ata nila is didn't hit really hard. I've gotta be honest. And also this episode was plagued with audio issues na hindi na hindi na nakakatawa. Okay? Di ko maintindihan yung jokes ng karamihan. Okay, so the first joke was uh, that was told here is a segment sa pagitan ng ano ni Jen Rosa kasi ni Kristen Miller. Yan. So, it's about yung attractiveness ng aboba. Okay? It's an aboba joke. So, sinabi ni Kristen Miller na yung aboba ng yung breast milk, nakakasunod ng mga lalaki kasi anak niya sumusunod once mag-breast milk to the agreement ni Jen Rosa. Tapos, hinititan niya si Nico Loco at sumunod at sinupsupan bigla yung aboba niya. Yeah. Yeah, corny. I think the best joke of the episode is the second one, yung skit ni Nico Loco sa ni Aaron Carmelo. Aaron Carmelo as a tawagin doon as a comedian is really good. He can hit home sa mga biro niya. Okay? And yung biro ata ni Aaron is swinerte siya kasi Nico parang minalas kagabi. Kasi sabi ni Aaron, swinerte siya kagabi. And ang dahilan, si Nico kasi, sabi ni Nico, sa sobrang lasing daw niya, nabenta daw niya yung asawa niya. Tapos sabi naman ni Aaron, sa sobrang lasing daw niya, na discount daw yung bibili niya sa asawa niya. Yun. Ay, again, as sinasabi ko, yung jokes last week or 2 weeks ago were better than this week. I think mahina yung jokes ngayon. Meron pa nga dito yung I think isang joke, si Supervisor Denise Esteban, sinisita si Chara Laksamana. Sabi kasi ni Jara yung boss niya, ayaw niya makita na hindi siya nagtatrabaho. Tinanong ng supervisor bakit tumatawa si Jara. Kasi di naman daw siya nagtatrabaho talaga. Doesn't hit hard, di ba? Then we get to the Indiana Jones segment, which ate up a lot of time. And the first episode ng Indiana Jones, yung topic nila is car. And I think for this week, 2 weeks ago, walang Indiana Jones. So this week, yeah, I think yung kanilang hindi gumagalaw si Caesar King. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan na lang natin. Alam mo mga ano eh. Okay. So when it comes to doing sa Indiana Jones, yeah, I think this will be on odd numbered weeks. So the first Indiana Jones episode was about cars. Ngayon, it's about... Ay, first week was about fishes. This one is about cars. I'm sorry. So yung mga jokes dito, nag-range sa anong kotse ang para sa mga karpintero. Ano? Hummer. Oh my God. My God. Hummer kasi hammer eh. Anong kotse ang para sa mga pare? Nissan. Bakit daw Nissan? Nissan sa pare. Woo! Yeah. I mean, 2 weeks ago they listened and they got really good jokes. This week the jokes are awful. Ang daw kotse ang hindi papalags ang hindi tatablan ng baha. Ang sagot ata is Ford. Bakit daw Ford? Ford Fiesta. Okay. Very good. Ano pa? Ano pa yung mga jokes na in-exhibit ni Jano Gibbs? Ano daw kotse ang para sa mga banda? Ford daw ulit. Bakit Ford? Ford Fiesta. Eh pala, Ford Everest pala yung last joke, sorry. Kaya kung Hayes eh. Ito naman Ford, ano daw joke ang para sa mga prostitute? Bakit, daw? Pick up. Oh my God. Oh my gulay. It seems like they have a different writing stuff every week. At least, tapos, nahinaan talaga ako. Yeah, this is one's really pretty weak. Bumalik na si Angel Aril eh. Si Angeline Aril sa isang segment yung nagtatanong siya sa mga tambay. Yung kay Angeline Aril, wala yun 2 weeks ago. So, yeah, binalik siya. Nagtanong siya anong riddle, paano daw nabubuhay ang isang tao 30 days without sleeping. Ano nga ba? Para sa mga sagot, uminom ng tubig. Yun ata yung sagot ko eh. Yun yung personal kong sagot, uminom ng tubig. Pero ang tamang sagot pala is they can. Natutulog kasi ang tao, ang normal na tao, in the evening. So, sabi kasi 30 days, hindi 30 nights, okay? So 30 days, talagang bubuhay ang tao kasi natutulog ang tao sa gabi. So that's like the correct answer. Yeah. And then we cap off this week with Battle of the Brales. Nirecycle nila si Salome sa si Jara this week, pati yung maikling book eh. Seryoso, kailan ba magkakaroon ng pelikula yung maikling book? Si Alia Raimundo ata yung name nun. Kailan siya magkakaroon ng pelikula? Parang 3 linggo na siya nasa Wow Mani, tapos hindi ko siya kahit kailan di ko siya nakikita sa pelikula. Also, there are sauna scenes dito, pero di ko pinapansin yun eh. Ewan ko, parang yun yung medyo forgetful. All 3 episodes have 3 forgetful sauna scenes, okay? Where I can't recall the joke whatsoever.
Awaken.
So, yeah, ayun. Diba? Hey, Battle of the Brales, I think they recycled yung tubig. Oh, yeah, nagkaroon ng shoutout yung tabing ilog dito. Tabing ilog dating palapas yun. So, nagkaroon siya ng shoutout dito. Yung, ang tanong dito is, anong ang Tagalog ng H2O? Tapos, ang sagot, para kay Jano Gibbs, ang dating kasi dito, si Jano Gibbs, mali yung sagot. Siya yung host eh. Yung host, mali yung sagot, tabing ilog. Tapos ang mga sagot nila, tabo, tuwalya, timba, ginagamit kasi panligo. Tapos tulay, tao, ewan ko, yun. All in all, yeah, this episode is pretty mid. Not to mention, wala. Naisip ko talaga na it's not really, this episode is not really good. really hit as hard as episode 2. Yun yung pinaka-complaint ko. And so also there are audio problems. Yung parang tumatawa na yung audience, di pa tapos yung joke. Like that. It's hard to follow talaga pag ganun yung ginagawa eh. Kasi halimbawa kasi nagbibiro ka tapos bigla na lang nag-ano, 'di ba? Yung nagbibiro ka tapos bigla na lang may tatawa sa background, yeah. Of course, Battle of the Brawlers ended with a 0. Yeah. Yeah, that's my review. This will be this is an advanced review dahil sa BMX Plus. I have already watched Belias, which will be the Friday review. That will be also premiering on Saturday. Kasi dami ko na-reschedule for this week. I think next week marami rin ako i-reschedule. But we'll see about that. Yeah. So yeah, Wow Mane episode 3 didn't hit a home run. End the video.